Hi everybody and welcome to the first Maxwell Centre Big Grow How to Do It video. My name's Nicola and I am going to show you today how to sow some seeds. So the first thing I've got is a seed tray. This is a plastic tray with holes in it, but you can use anything recycled from home. I'm going to fill it with some multi-purpose compost. That's the multi-purpose compost, which will be fine for seeds. And the white bits in the compost, I've actually added some of this, which is called perlite, which is a material really lightweight, and you add it into your compost because it'll help to put more air in the compost. It's not essential, but just use it because it'll help to put more air in. So I've filled up my tray almost to the brim. I've got my seeds here, and the seeds I've got today are called Scotch Marigold or Calendula. And luckily I've got one that we grew earlier. Looks like this. And it has a gorgeous orange marigold type flower which is just starting to come out. So that's something that we did earlier on in the year. Very easy. Once you get it in the garden, it's a happy plant. The seeds are quite big, so they're easy to use, easy to handle. And I'm just going to sprinkle them thinly into the compost. Spread them out so they're not all growing together. I'm going to pat them down a bit, gently. And then I'm just going to cover them with a very, very thin layer, a thin layer of compost, so that you can't see the seeds, but you know they're not buried deep. So it's a very thin layer. Write my label. I'll just put S marigolds, and that's them, ready to be put in well, just now you could probably put them outside because we're in June, but you could also put them on your windowsill to get them started. When you're watering your seedlings, try and get the water running first of all so that you don't dislodge them. Give them a bit of a drink. That's you.